Oh shit, my package is here. Yes. I got a new MacBook. I got a new MacBook. I got a new MacBook. Woo! Can't wait to unbox this thing. Yes. Hello, you beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my MacBook Pro 2020, my 2020 MacBook Pro unboxing. I'm super duper excited about this. I have been waiting for quite a while. I ordered this on July 14th and it's finally come. Today is July 27th. So it took a long time. It took 13 days, I believe, which is a long time for me to wait for a package, especially one with such importance. I ordered it off of the Apple website instead of Best Buy. Even though Best Buy has faster shipping, it didn't have the configurations that I needed. So I had to order it off of the Apple website. And so I had to wait like 2 weeks, even though if I ordered it off of Best Buy, it would have taken me literally 1 day. I ordered it with the education discount. So I got like $100 or $150 off. It came with a pair of Apple AirPods, which is really nice. So this is gonna be my first MacBook ever. I'm moving from an HP laptop, which is really like janky, which I'm gonna go get right now. So I'm moving from this very janky looking HP Envy. I got this in like 2015. Like the freaking rubber came off. The hinge broke a year and a half ago. So like it's literally leaning. Like look at this. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? It's literally like there's no hinge there. I mean, it was a very pretty laptop. I really loved how it looked. And I got a lot of compliments on it. People always thought it was a MacBook for some reason. I think because it had a really slim profile. I'm not gonna have a number pad, which I'm really gonna miss because I do like having the number pad to just type in numbers really quickly. I'm gonna miss all these ports. It came with a lot of ports. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the unboxing so you guys can see exactly what's inside. I've had to change angles like 18 million times, but we are here. We are at the most exciting part of the video, which is the unboxing, which I'm super duper excited for. Let me just go get a pair of scissors. It's time. It's freaking time. It's time. I did it. Oh my God. How do you do this? Oh, okay. So look at that, guys. Do you see what that says? Do you see what that says? I've never had one of these before. This is so exciting. I don't know if you guys can tell how excited I am, but I am over the motherfucking moon, baby. So let's pull her out and stop playing games. So I got the 13-inch MacBook Pro. It has a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core 8th gen i5 processor. I got the space gray color. Oh my God, how beautiful. Guys, my excitement level cannot be contained right now. Cannot. The base model comes with 8 gigabytes of storage, but I decided to go with, I decided to upgrade it to 16 gigabytes so that I can do editing and make this bad boy work. This is the best day of my life. It just comes with 2 Apple signs on the side, MacBook Pro at the top and the bottom, and then our beautiful space gray MacBook Pro right front and center. So let's go ahead and open her and stop playing around. So you just peel the plastic. Oh, okay, she just comes right off. Can you see that? I hope you can see. Okay, so it's time to unveil her. Okay, slow motion. Do you just pull her out like that? Oh my fucking God. I have a MacBook Pro. So I'm gonna set this aside and see what else is in the box. So the first thing is this booklet, which I should probably read since this is gonna be my first Mac. So I don't really know how to use these things all that well. Comes with a pair, oh my God, it comes with a pair of space gray Apple stickers instead of just white. That is very interesting. Never knew that. And then here is the charging brick, which is just, you know, standard Apple charger brick. It's enormous. And And we have the USB-C port, the USB-C charging port. So, and that is it. In typical Apple fashion, very minimal, very cute. Now let's get to the good stuff and let's get some of this trash away. Okay, so now it's time to open her. We're gonna just open her up. Oh, she's got a little paper. And she just starts up automatically. So I'm gonna switch angles so you guys can actually see me set this up. So we finally got her out of the box and now I'm gonna set her up. So let's do it. So English is my language. Oh my God, look at how this trackpad is so humongous. I'll be right back, I forgot the password. Oh, okay, so I guess I was able to connect to the internet. I was having connectivity issues. Yeah, I'm not gonna transfer any information because my other PC is straight dead. It's gonna be a brand new Mac. Sign in with my Apple ID. Oh my God, this keyboard is incredible, guys. Oh my God, it's letting me in. I just signed in with my iCloud. Terms and conditions. Yeah, I agree. I agree. I moved angles because like I want you guys to see me as well as the computer. I don't suggest using your laptop on a bed like this because it's just gonna cause it to heat up. So I'm just doing this for the purposes of this video. So I signed in with my Apple ID already. I don't know if I filmed that because my camera stopped filming for some reason. So I'm not gonna set up screen time because I don't really want to know how much time I'm spending on my laptop on my screen. So we're just gonna set that up later. And then I'm gonna enable Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Yay! My old laptop had Cortana, which was straight garbage. So I love Siri, she's my homie. I don't really have any space in my iCloud photos, and I use Google Photos, so I'm just gonna uncheck both of those. File vault disk encryption. What does that even mean? I guess I'll turn it on. Secures your data by encrypting the contents of your disk and locking your screen with a passcode. Okay, we'll turn that on. Oh, it's time for Touch ID. Oh my God, look at that. It even has the freaking words right there. Lift and rest your finger on Touch ID repeatedly. How awesome is that? My fingerprint can be used to unlock my Mac. Okay, add credit, debit card, or store cards and use Touch ID to securely make payments. No, I have my card in my Google Chrome, so I'm just gonna not do Apple Pay. So there's light mode, dark mode, or auto. My phone is on auto mode, so like when it's nighttime, it goes dark. So I think I'm gonna do that. Your Mac automatically adapts to ambient lighting. Definitely want that true tone. Oh my God, it's setting up. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for her to set up. You know, she's chilling. Let's give her some time to rest. She's open! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Calendar would like to use your current location. Okay, that's fine. Oh my God, the crispiness of this background is incredible. I can use my phone number to make and receive calls directly on this Mac, which I will be turning on. So right now I'm downloading my messages to my Mac so that I can send and receive text messages. So I think that's it for me when it comes to setting up the MacBook. But I did want to show you guys this accessory that I got before the Mac came, which is a USB Type-C hub. It's a hub and it connects with the USB Type-C thing, and then it comes with a spot for your SD card, a spot for 2 USB Type 3 chargers, just like the regular USB chargers, for HDMI. It's in space gray, cute. I got it off of Amazon and I can link it down below. It's only like $17 or something like that. Okay guys, 20 angle changes later, I think I'm all done showing you guys the MacBook Pro 2020. Super sleek, as you can see. It's just very slim and it's very lightweight. The Apple logo doesn't light up anymore. I don't know how long ago they did that. So you can see the keyboard is very nice. I love the keyboard. And the touch bar is also very nice. It's already coming pretty useful. And well, thank you guys so much for finishing the video and watching me unbox my MacBook Pro. I'm super duper excited. I'm so happy that you made it this far. I don't think I taught you anything, but I hope it was entertaining. If you're considering getting a MacBook, definitely do it. It's incredible. And I mean, I'm saying that and I haven't even used it yet, but I already know. That'll be it for me today. I will talk to you guys later. I love you. Bye. Peace out, Girl Scout.